Hello everyone. In today's quality management class, we are going to solve one of the numerical from RTO old paper, and this is the example of AOQ, that is average outgoing quality. This. So the given question is like that: construct an AOQ curve for the sampling plan where the load size is 2000, the sample size is 100, and the acceptance number is 3. So this is the solution. What is given in the question? The load size n is given, that is 2000 capital N, and sample size small n is equal to 100 given. Then acceptance number C is equal to 3. Acceptance number 3, it means accept load if the defective items in 100 samples is less than equal to 3, or otherwise we will reject. And this is the formula for AOQ, that is average outgoing quality. Formula is like that: PA multiply P multiply capital N minus N divided by the capital N. Here we know that small n is equal to sample size, capital N is the load size or the total population, and PA, that is the probability of load acceptance, and small p is the proportion non-conforming. So now we prepare this table, and in this table first we assume the historic probability of the defects or the proportion of non-conforming, that is small p, and here I assume this probability 0, that is probability of the defect 0, 0.01 and up to 0.12, and the sample size small n is given in the question. Then we are going to calculate the n into p, n multiply p, that is np, and we get this value. After that, for the probability of load acceptance PA, the Poisson probability distribution is used, and for the sample calculation, let's suppose the small p is 0.02 and n is 100 given. Then np is equal to 100 multiply 0.02, that is 2. Then for this value, uh, now for x barabar 3 and at np is equal to 2, we get the PA value from the table is equal to 0.857. This table I will show at the end of the video, and after that the AOQ column, the formula of AOQ we already know. In that formula I just show you here the sample calculation, that AOQ for P is equal to 0.02. This is AOQ equal to 0.857, that is PA multiply P, this 0.02 multiply capital N minus small n, that is 2000 minus 100 divided by the capital N, that is 2000. Then we get AOQ is equal to 0.016283. We take up to 4 digit, then we get 0.0163. Similarly, we get for the all the values of small p, we calculated AOQ and we get this value. And now we are going to prepare the curve between the proportion non-conforming p and AOQ. Now this is the AOQ curve between the P, that is incoming load quality or the fraction defective, on the x-axis, and on the y-axis AOQ, that is the average fraction defective of the outgoing loads. You can see easily this we prepare with the help of Excel software, and here these two data used, that is this column and this column. Next I will show you the same graph in the Minitab, and this is again the AOQ curve for the sample size 100 and acceptance number 3 that is given in the question. And on y-axis we can see the AOQ, that is proportion defective, and on x-axis we can see the incoming load proportion defective, that is small p. So this is the cumulative Poisson distribution table. For x is equal to 3, we can see that for example for x is equal to 3 and np is equal to 2, we can see that PA value is equal to 0.857. Similarly for x is equal to 3 and np is equal to 6, we can get the np is equal to 0.151. So like that we can get all the values of PA at the different values of small p.